Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And so in today's video I just want to show you guys on how to make soft and layered chapatis, and then I also want to show you guys on how to cook coconut beans. Yeah, kwa my fellow Swahili people, we say maharagwe ya nazi. Okay, so let's go directly into the video. So with me here, I have my 1 kg of rose cocoa beans. Tengeneza already. It's clean. I want to soak it in the water. Okay. Now this one is ready. Put it inside and cover it. So the maharagwe part is okay. And now I want to show you guys the things and ingredients that I'm going to use to make my coconut beans. So with me here I have 2 coconuts. I hope by now you have already watched the video that I went to the market. So when I went to the market, I got these 2 coconuts. They were very expensive. One goes for 40 bob, very expensive compared to Kongowea. Yeah, so I don't know if it's extract or what. Let's extract the coconut milk first, and then we proceed to the next step. Okay guys, so guys, with me here I have this coconut extractor. I'm going to give it that name, coconut extractor. It's called mbuzi in Kiswahili. If you're coming from coast, your house must have this mbuzi. Yeah, so it's been long since I used this. Yeah, you can see in front it has this sharp edge that we are going to use to extract the coconut. So let me wash it first because it's been long since I used it. Nice, it's now ready. This one is nice. Okay, this is number 1. I was a bit nervous. I wasn't sure how I'm going to extract or to separate this, but now it has worked. Okay, thank God. Here I have my coconut juice. Let me spare this for my love. He loves it and he's going to drink it later. So guys, this is the mbuzi coconut extractor. That's how I'm going to call it so that you can understand. I know this channel is big and people from all over the world are watching us. Okay, I'm hoping so. So this is my basins, and then you come this way, you come, and then you sat on it. Okay guys, I'm a typically Swahili woman, don't mind. And now you start extracting your coconut like this way. Just I don't know if you guys are able to see. This is how it's supposed to remove. So let's continue. So I am done. As you can see here, this coconut, yeah, it's over, and this is how it should be. So I am going to repeat this process for the rest of the remaining 3, and then we'll continue from there. So don't mind the sound guys, that's how kukunanazi is. Okay, yeah, so it's literally like 5 minutes and I am done extracting my coconut. This is how it is. So now this is the, I don't know the name, I've forgotten it. I'm going to insert here. Now let's go and extract the milk. So maybe this is coconut crumbs. Yeah, so let's go and extract the milk. And here with me, I'm done with this. So let's throw them in the bin and continue on our next step. So you can see the mbuzi as I am throwing this in the bin. That's the bin, guys. So this mbuzi literally goes for 250, not 250. I bought it in 2019 when it was 250, but now it's 300 or 350. Yeah, and I love it, guys. It's doing an amazing job in a family setup. Okay, so let it stand here. I'll clean it and return it to its place. So guys, with me here, it's something called kifumbu. I don't know in English name, I just know in Kiswahili, so I'm sorry about that. I'll research and I'll put the name here. But in my local language, I can say, in my local English, I can call it coconut milk extractor. Yeah. So this one is what I'm going to use. I'm going to put my coconut here, squeeze the juice, throw the coconut crumbs away. So let's wash it first. Okay, now here is my coconut. So let's go. My hands are clean. And now I'm and then squeeze the juice. Instead, now it's a sieve. Yeah, I remember this is a coconut sieve. That is the name. You add water little by little and check the level or the thickness of your coconut milk. It depends on how you want it, thick or not thick. But then again, I'm going to have two types of coconut milk, the one which is thick and the one which is not thick. So the one which is not thick, I'm going to use it to boil the rice, and then the one which is thick, I will use it later when I am preparing the final step of coconut milk. As you can see, this one is very thick. So guys, this is the thick coconut milk. Yeah, so I'm going to put it here in this mold here. Aside, put it aside. This is my chicha. So in cost, this is what we use to make kashata. I don't know if you guys know what is kashata. If I had time, I could have made it, but today I'm very busy. I have visitors and guests I need to cook, so I'm not going to do kashatas, and I'm not going to put it in the refrigerator. Maybe next time, if I make the coconut, I will use this machicha to make kashatas. So for now, I'm going to throw them away and wash my kifumbu and thank it for a good job that it has done. I'm going to use it next time. Yeah, so guys, I am done preparing the coconut milk, and now I want to wash out the jiko and then nibandike maragwe and then I'll come back and show you guys the ingredients that I'm going to use to add, including with coconut milk, to add to the beans so that it can be more, and the process and how you can cook it and the quantities of the ingredients. Okay guys, yeah, let's go. So guys, I have decided to change the sufuria because this sufuria here cannot handle 1 kg of beans. And if you remember very well, last year I bought myself a cooking pot. As you can see, this one is big and it is the second last. It's not the biggest one. Yeah, so with me here, I am so pleased with Chama's. And now let's change. Sikose kucheza chama. And I told you to go and make your own detergent at home and save that money. You cheza chama with it. Come closer, come closer. Let's go to the jiko. The jiko is ready. So let's go and prepare other ingredients. Hey guys, so maharagwe tushabandika, and now with me here I have my ingredients of today, the ones that I'm going to use to make my coconut beans, right? Let's start. I have 1 full garlic here, and then I don't know, this is it's not a pinch, it's just a
turmeric.
It's not turmeric, ginger. There is difference between ginger and turmeric, guys. Sorry about that. This is ginger. This depends on the quantity that you like to put, according to also your beans, if it's half. Yeah. And then with me here I have my 3 onions. I love onions, and onions make the foods to be so sweet and smells nice. I'm going to use all of it. If you want to use 1, you can use 2, 3, depends on how you want it to balance. And then with me I have 2 tomatoes, but then again I see these tomatoes are not much. I need to add 1 more. I'm going to take it from the refrigerator. And I have this capsicum, 1 capsicum here with me. Yeah. And Dani is called what in English?
I don't know. Tell us in the comment section.
Yeah, tell us in the comment section. So we are going to prepare these separately and wait for the beans to be cooked. Okay, guys? Okay. So I am done preparing my ingredients, and now I want to cut them small into pieces separately. First, I have a kinu. I don't know how it is called in English. You guys tell us on the comment section. I'm going to put my full kitunguu saumu, that is full garlic, and I'm going to mix it with ginger in this kinu here. And then I'm going to add salt to help it, to soften it, kutwangika. Kizungu imekomea hapo, guys. That way. This one babe ndo atatwanga. And then because today I don't have a grater to grate these carrots, I'm going to blend them here. Yes, I'm going to blend them here. We are separating things Niko ya blender iko huko juu. Don't mind guys. So let's start cutting onions and other things. Yafanya mtu analia bana. Here I will just add them together. There is no adding kitunguu first or what. Wow, the look is looking okay. With the ingredients, I want to place them aside and blend my carrots. This is our, remember our coconut? Let me use this coconut milk to add here. We are twanga. Kutanga ni kumash. We are mashing. Mash it. Now I am adding the coconut milk, the second one that I told you I'm going to use it to boil. That is the final product of maharagwe ya nazi. Guys, I don't know if you could have smell the taste. Oh my god, tuambia watu wenye ilikuwa. Hi guys, welcome back. So this is the final product of our coconut beans. You can see it just looks delicious. So you can try this recipe, tag us and tell us how it turns out. Yeah. Iko tamu guys, so sweet.